You're going to want to hear me out on this one. What if I told you there's people making like $15,000 a day renting out rooms in a building? That's right. A 90-minute stay in this room is going to cost me $161. Now, the purpose of these rooms is to film content. So if you're a content creator and you have an ugly house, don't worry. You can rent out these beautiful spaces. This studio has 13 different rooms that you can rent at the low cost of about $100 an hour. They are open 6 days a week for 12 hours a day. And they're almost all booked up. Things that are included are pillows, couches, etc. You know, the usual. So if we're going to do a little bit of quick math here, let's just say all 13 rooms are booked up at $100 an hour for 12 hours a day. That means they're bringing in about $15,600 in revenue a day. And those are numbers anybody can get on board with. If you found this helpful, you know what to do.